Be sure to unplug your Portacool cooler before doing any maintenance. When present, lock the casters to keep the cooler from moving while you are working on it. Make sure the Kuul Evaporative Media is dry. Remove the black flap from the evaporative cooler. The flap is attached to the top of the evaporative cooler with screws. Remove the screws and set the flap aside. All Kuul Evaporative Media must be removed before accessing the inside of the evaporative cooler. Always remove the center set of media first by grasping at the top and tilting out towards you. While tilting the media out, lift up and out of the base of the cooler. Remove the remaining media in the same manner. Once all the media has been removed, you should have access to the inside of the evaporative cooler and all the internal components. Open the control panel located inside the cooler behind the power switches. With a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew and remove the control panel. Unplug the power cord connection, the pump connection, and motor connection. On the new replacement control panel, plug in the 3-prong power cord, the 4-prong pump connection, and the 5-prong motor connection. Make sure your connections are snug. Insert the new control panel into the housing, then into the opening on the Portacool. With the Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the screws into the housing. Replace your Kuul media by beginning on the outer edges and working towards the center. Pay close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media. The arrow stickers should point up and inward to make sure the media is installed properly. Replace the media flap, securing it with the screws. Turn on the pump and use the water adjustment valve to control the water flow over the Kuul Evaporative Media. If you have any questions, please contact our customer care team or fill out our contact form on Portacool.com. Portacool is here to keep America cool.